Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the POCO F7 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so let's get straight into our app. In here you need to choose your language. In here also, click on agree and continue, allow to send you the notifications, and now in here all you need to do is to type your phone number and verify it. So that's what I'm gonna do now, so just give me a second. It's not gonna take much time. Okay, I just verified that. Okay, now we have these contacts and media, so simply click on continue. I'm gonna allow WhatsApp to have access to my videos and the contacts. Okay, and now as you can see we had looking for backups, and now we have options to restore our chats. As you can see also below we have the date, how long ago the backup was made. In my case it's 4 minutes ago. Also the size of it and the account on which it is stored. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, also on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you how to create such a backup, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, and now all we need to do is to simply click on this green button on the bottom, restore. Okay, now the process has started, so now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, and now as you can see 10 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. So now all we need to do is to click on next. In here in the profile info you need to simply type your name, and if you click on this green button you can add your photo. Okay, so now again click on next. And now let's see. Okay, all of our messages has been successfully restored, including the photos and the video. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.